Welcome to Lakay, your new Haitian social network. This platform was built by Gesner Deslandes, engineer-in-chief at globalinternet.py, to bring the Haitian diaspora and our community at home together in a modern, secure, and vibrant digital space. The moment you open the app, you'll notice our vibrant color scheme, bold red and blue, the colors of the Haitian flag. These national colors appear throughout the login page, the sidebar, and the main interface, constantly reminding us of our shared identity and pride. Create your account in 2 simple steps. Sign up, click on a sign up, enter your full name, a valid email address, and a password, at least 6 characters. Confirm your email, we'll send you a confirmation link. Click it to activate your account. Log in, return to the app, enter your email and password, and you're ready to go. That's it, you are now part of the Lakay family. Telephone receiver video calls, free, reliable, and fun. Once logged in, go to the Friends and Chat section. Add friends by searching for their names, and when they accept your request, they appear in your friends list. Next to each friend, you'll see a call button. Click it, and a unique room ID is automatically generated and sent to your friend via chat. They click the same button, join the room, and you are instantly in a live video call. Our call feature is powered by Jitsi, a trusted open-source platform. It's completely free, with no tokens or hidden costs. Just allow camera and microphone access when your browser asks, and you can see and hear each other as long as you have a stable internet connection. During a call, you can speech balloon chat in real time, send text, links, and emojis without leaving the call. Computer monitor # share your screen, show documents, photos, or anything on your device. Artist palette add a virtual background, upload your own image, PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIF, and appear in front of any scenery you like. Face with tears of joy react with emojis, keep the conversation lively. All these features are built directly into the call window, no extra downloads, no complicated setups. Speech balloon private messaging and personalized profiles. Beyond video calls, you can also send private messages to your friends, anytime, anywhere. Share images and videos directly in the chat, and with one click, repost shared media to your own feed. Your conversations are stored securely, so you can always go back to past chats. Make your profile truly yours. Upload a profile picture, avatar. Add a background image to your profile page, give it a unique look that reflects your personality. Write a bio to tell others about yourself, your interests, and what you love about Haiti. Haitian content that celebrates Haiti. Lakay is not just a social network, it's a platform where you can upload and enjoy videos about Haiti in one place. Watch classic Haitian comedy with the legendary Languichatte Debordus series, the old-time sketches that made generations laugh. Discover innovative technology content, debates, conferences, and new inventions from Haitian tech enthusiasts. Whether you're into agriculture, education, energy, artificial intelligence, or any topic that moves our country forward, you can share your videos and ideas in Creole or French. Our community values content that helps our youth and contributes to making Haiti the pearl of the Caribbean once again. Globe showing Europe-Africa a bilingual community, Creole and French. We encourage posts in Haitian Creole and French, the 2 languages that shape our education and daily life. Your feed will show content in both languages, and we translate other languages into Creole and French so that everyone understands. If you have a video in another language, you can request translation from the administrator. Football watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 live, for free. In addition to everything else, you can watch every match of the FIFA World Cup 2026 live and free on Lakay. Just click Live World Cup in the menu, choose one of the streaming tabs, and enjoy the game with your friends. Heart with Ribbon support the platform. Lakay is built with passion, but it needs your support to keep growing. If you enjoy the platform and the live broadcasts, please consider making a donation. Every contribution helps us improve the service and bring you even more content. Send your donation via Moncash to telephone receiver 509 4738 to 5663. Hammer and wrench hash need custom software for your business? I am Gesner Deslandes. I create software from any idea, for any industry. If you need a website, a mobile app, an automation tool, or a complete system, get in touch. Email deslandes78@gmail.com. Mobile phone WhatsApp 509 47 38 to 56 63. I'll turn your vision into reality. Person with praying hands, thank you. Thank you for being part of the Lakay community. Together, we are building a modern, fun, and inclusive space for all Haitians, at home and abroad. Lakay, tout Ayiti Lakay. Haitian. Create your account now. White right pointing backhand index https://global intern tpy-furjd6wqq8n for danejmkh.streamlit.app